Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by powering the box and connecting HDMI to the TV. Plug the box into its power adapter and use the closest HDMI port. Once done, switch the TV to that HDMI input and insert batteries in the remote. Make sure you have your Wi-Fi name and password handy. You'll need them during setup. If your network uses 5 GHz, verify the box supports it. This gets everything physically ready, so you can move straight into software setup. You'll go through the on-screen wizard. Choose language, connect to Wi-Fi, and accept the user agreement. Once done, sign in with your Google account so the Play Store, casting, and backups work smoothly. Make sure to run any system update prompts immediately. Updates fix security and playback issues. Then install the apps you need: streaming services, a file manager, and a launcher if you prefer. Take a moment to set default apps and enable auto updates to avoid manual installs later. You'll finish by adjusting display and audio. Set the resolution, refresh rate, and any HDMI deep color settings to match your TV. Do this to avoid stutter or black bars. Next, pair Bluetooth controllers or soundbars and choose the correct audio output, ARC, optical, or HDMI, so sound syncs properly. If playback or connectivity fails, restart the box and reseat the HDMI cable. If the problem persists, perform a factory reset from settings. That reset often clears.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.